All right, so I'm kind of on my own, and I got time for one lap, so I'm gonna go do Pakalolo. So because I'm on my own and I am in bounds but still technically out of bounds, I just text Sid and told him I'll text him now and I'll text him when I'm done. So what I've done is I turned on my Euler, so it's going to track me, so it sees exactly where I am. So if I don't get a text later, then he can call for help. I'm almost there. Some steep bits on this climb here. Steeper than going up to the peak. Here's a little quick tip. When faced with a steeper part of your way up on the groomer here, or this track that's been put in, you can see it's a lot mellower. It'd be much easier to go up than that. So let's go left. That just is slick. Maybe. Might just be the way. Instead of going all the way around. Mind you, it's right there. Screw it. This will be easier. Flatter. A turn. That was pretty chill mostly. And the views, wow, so awesome. Just look around. There's the Black Tusk right there, Whistler Peak. It's coming up to 7th here. So, oh yeah, the T-bar's gone now. Wow, it looks strange. This looks so bizarre, eh? Wow. Oh, they made that easy to get up. Check that out. Nice. Well, that was fairly benign, I gotta say. That was good. And yeah, let's get a run in. Add grooming, but it's not really grooming. They're just packing down the surface. That's all this is. Whoa, that all slid. Oh, wow. Wow, this looks awesome. Chalky. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Woo! Maybe. It might be really shit. Woo. Oh, that's nice. Sorta. Wind smattered. right there. So maybe we can get a nice run down to it. Looks good. All right. Watch out for sharks. Oh, hit one. Oh, that was nice. Woo! Oh, that was pretty nice. I don't know what this is going to be like, but it should be the same as that. It's going to be narrow, but yeah, let's hit it. Nice and chalky. Wow, it's really kind of nice. It's not powdery, look at, but it's fun. Oh, now we got some powder. Woo! There we go. All the slough now is down here. Nice. Let's see how our turns look. Oh, there you can't see any. I can't. All right, well, that was good. You do have to know you're going to hit some sharks, for sure. Phew! Now it's cruddy, because it's been skied. All right, well now, as I said, I gotta text Sid and tell him I'm good. All right, so I just texted. He knows I'm out. And yeah, I'm just gonna ski all the way down now. And that's it. So that's basically how you do this about as safe as you can.